Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruise. A beautiful 7-inch billet headlight, as you can see here, beautifully made. This is all CNC. It's all bolted on. Normally this rim's unscrews. Okay, it's threaded. So you undo this, release these bolts. This gives you the way to spin it around. As you can see, the bracket CNC as well. Wires come out through it, obviously, which you can then use some beautiful braided cable cover that we do. Proper H4. We can convert this to LED if you want. As you can see, E-marked, so it's good quality. It's not one of your normal Chinese things, you know, suitable for DOT or E-marked. Okay, cracking looking light, very well made. Like I say, this is proper billet, not die cast crap. And also you can see from the reflectors, one of these normal multifaceted backs, more modern style, ideal for your big dog, your rhino horse, or your chopper build. Also available in chrome. We do 8-inch, 9-inch, 7-inch, 5 3/4 and 4 1/2 in this particular style. And I say these are proper billet CNC. If you're interested, give us a call 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.